Good morning, children, and welcome to the EVS2 class. So, what is today's date, children? Today's date is 8th of January 21. And which lesson we are doing? We are doing lesson number 10, that is Nature, Resources, Forests and Soil. So, shall we proceed with the lesson, children? Okay. So, before we move to the new topic, let's see what did we do in our last topic. So children, in our last topic we did about the 5 different types of forests. And what are those, children? They are, children, coniferous, evergreen, deciduous, thorny and scrub forest, and tidal forest. Okay, and in our last class we have discussed two main forests, which is coniferous forest and evergreen forest. And what did we study in coniferous forest? Children, we have studied in coniferous forest about where they grow. They grow in the, yes, they grow in the foothills of the Himalayas and in the Nilgiri mountains. They are found in the cold part of India. Okay, and what type of leaves they have? These trees, they have, children, yes, they have needle like leaves. The leaves are like needle. Okay, so that the snow, they don't get collected on their leaves. Okay, and then we have also studied about the evergreen forest. And where are these forests found? These forests are found in the Western Ghats, the Northeast India, Andaman Nicobar Islands. And these trees, they never shed their leaves, and that's why the forests always appear green, and that's why it's called evergreen forest. And also, children, these forests are grown, they are found in areas where there are plenty of rainfall and sunshine. Okay, this was the recap. So shall we continue with the next topic? What is our next topic? Our next topic, so this is the recap activity. What type of leaves does a coniferous tree has? So we have just discussed that a coniferous tree has, you can see, needle like leaves. And why? Because so that the sorry, the snow, they don't get collected. These leaves, they, when snow falls on these leaves, they fall off. Okay, they don't get collected on the leaves. Then the second question is, why do the evergreen forests always look green? Because of the trees. Okay, because of the trees present in the evergreen forest, who never shed their leaves. Okay, they never shed their leaves through the whole year. The leaves are always green, and they do not fall off the trees. Okay, so now today's topic is about deciduous forests. So where are these forests? What type of forests we'll study? So what is deciduous forest? These forests grow in the peninsular plateau region. Yes, they are found in the peninsular plateau region, and they are also found along the foothills. Foothills means, children, suppose this is a hill, okay, and this is the peak, and foothills is the lower part. Okay, the lower part, this is the foothill. The lower part, this is the peak of a mountain, and the lower part of a mountain is the foothill. So on the foothills, these trees are found, and these forests are found. And what name some trees which are found in deciduous forest? It's like gulmohar. Example is given, gulmohar and teak, and they can live and grow in different kinds of weather. And also, children, these trees, they have broad and flat leaves, and they require a lot of water, and they lose their leaves during the dry season because there is lack of water, and they require a lot of water to survive. And during the dry season, the leaves, they fall off. You can see here, this tree, it doesn't have leaves. It's a deciduous tree, but it doesn't have leaves, and because it is in the summer and they require a lot of water. When they do not get water, what happens? Leaves, they fall off. Then, children, let me show you a deciduous forest. You can see pictures of deciduous forest. These are 3 images of deciduous forest. Then, children, where is the deciduous forest found? It is found in the peninsular region, and this is the peninsular region. and also in the foothills. Now this is a mountain, children. So which is the foothill? This is the lower part. Okay, this is the foothill of a mountain, and in this, in the Himalayas, in the foothills, the deciduous forest is found. Then children, this is the gulmohar tree, and the children, this is what, children? The teak tree. Okay, and you can see the teak tree and the gulmohar tree has broad and flat leaves. Now children, we move to the next type of forest, which is thorny and scrub forest. And these thorny and scrub forest, what type of trees are found? It's babul and kikar trees. There are two types of trees, and they grow in dry areas such as deserts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and then Maharashtra. So when the rays of the sun are very strong in these regions, okay, and so there is very little rainfall also. So these trees can survive there because they have long roots also. They can survive with less water also, and they have long roots in order to penetrate, to go deep in the soil. Okay children, in order to go deep in the soil, they have long roots also, and they can also survive with less water, because these leaves, they become thorns. The leaves of these trees, they become thorns, so that they do not lose much water, and also they have long roots in order to go deep into the soil in search for water. So generally these types of trees, the babul and kikar trees, they are found where, children? They are found in the, yes, in the desert areas, and in areas where there is lot of rays of sunshine is there and less water is there. So let us see a picture of babul and kikar trees. Yes, you can see here, children, babul trees and kikar trees, and you can see both these trees, they are growing in the desert area. From the soil you can make out, and the leaves of these trees are like thorns. You can see they are not like this, okay, like generally leaves we have, but they are like thorns, like these thorns they are. Okay, so now we come to the next type of forest, which is tidal forest. Okay, so what are tidal forests? These forests are found where the land is flooded by sea water. That is, these trees, you know, they are found in the, these forests are found in the deltas, and we know delta area is the piece of land where it is formed where at the mouth of a river, before the river meets the ocean, just at the mouth this delta is formed, and the tidal forests are found in the delta, in the Sundarban areas. Okay, in the Sundarban areas in West Bengal. And where is the Sundarban delta? It is in West Bengal. And see the trees where they grow, it is flooded by seawater. It's not that they grow on water, they grow on sea. Land is there, land will be there, and they will grow on top of it. Okay, where, and it is flooded by seawater. Land will be there, they will be growing on land, but then they will be growing on top of the, yes, on top of the land which is flooded by seawater. And what is one specialty of these trees, you know, children? I would like to show you. These are the example. Okay, one example is a famous mangrove trees, and you know the Sundarban delta is covered with mangrove trees. Okay, and this is an example of the tidal forest, a tree, and you can see the roots. Okay, the roots are coming up. Okay, the roots, they don't go down. Okay, they don't grow towards the soil. They, after getting a little bit into the soil, they come out of the soil. And why is this? Here you can see the tree images. Okay, here all the roots, they are coming out of the soil because it is flooded with seawater, and in order to get air, they grow upwards. Okay, they don't grow downwards. Okay children, the roots, they grow upwards to get enough water, to get enough air. And you can see all these trees, they're growing on water. Okay, the land is flooded. Beneath there is land, children, but on the upward side you can see it is all flooded with water. That's why it is called mangrove trees, and mainly you will find mangrove trees in the tidal and scrub forest. Okay children, so children, we shall stop till here. Before we end the class, let's do the questions quickly. So these are the new words: foothills and loose, And then we have the questions. The trees in this type of forest require a lot of water. So which is the correct answer, children? It is, yes, it is the thorny and scrub forest. Okay, children, so we shall stop till here. In the next class, we'll continue, and again we'll do a quick recap of these three type of forests which we have studied today. So children, till then, have a good day and bye-bye.